Hi everyone out there. Today's topic is about depressions. Okay, understand depression differs from sadness. A lot of people are confused of that, so I'm going to talk the differences between depression and sadness for you guys to have a clear understanding. What is depression? Depression is a common and serious medical illness that negatively affects how you feel, the way you think, and how we act. Depression causes feelings of sadness and a loss of interest in activities you once enjoyed. Depression is a longer-term mental illness. It impairs social, occupational, left untreated. Symptoms of depression may last for a long time. Sadness is not depression. It is a human emotion that all people feel at certain times during their lives. Sadness is temporary and fades with time. So what is the number one cause of depression? Long-term unemployment, living in an abusive or uncaring relationship, long-term isolations or loneliness, and prolonged work stress. And how to know if you have depressions? You will feel sad or having a depressed mood, feel lost, empty, hopeless, loss of interest or pleasure in activities once you enjoyed, changes in appetite, weight loss or gain unrelated to dieting, trouble sleeping or sleeping too much, loss of energy or increased fatigue, feeling worthless or guilty, difficulty thinking, concentrating or making decisions, thoughts of death or committing suicide. How to get help for depressions? First, stay connected with loved ones, few people, or a few people who can give you the support. Get out and exercise, sit down with a book and a cup of tea, or try some meditations. Getting enough sleep at night, get some sunlight can improve overall mood. Expose yourself to funny and light-hearted entertainment, seeking professional treatment, and you talk therapy. Alright guys, I hope these tips can help you feel happier, healthier, and more hopeful every day in every way. Try to become a better person in life. And thank you so much for watching my video.